Good morning, everyone. Today is April 22nd, Tuesday. I'm going to go over a few markets using the price action sonic system. Now, one thing about the sonic system that I want to start off with is that it's versatile. It works on almost any market, even stocks, if you want to apply it to stocks. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. So when you're looking at seeing here on the chart, we're seeing an up market, obviously. When you look at what the sonic system is doing, it's giving you these long entries, and the green, here, let's expand this out here a little bit, the green is the target and the red is the stop. And we have a lot of opportunities here. So the market opened for me New York time 9:30, adjust for your time zone, and as of 9:30, this is what we're having, long after long position. Yesterday, the video I did yesterday was a short where the market was going down. So it's important to see that a trading system works on both the long side as well as the short side without any optimization. Now, if you do want to change the settings here and you want to have a larger profit target, here you can adjust the profit target a little bit larger. You can say that I want 2 times the ATR. And when I do that, what you're seeing here is that the profit target now is much larger. And you have less trades because we're waiting for that target to be hit before a new trade occurs. So you have the opportunity to have a smaller target with more trades and a larger target with less trades, depending if you want to be more of a scalper or you want to be a swing trader. Also depends on the market conditions as well. So I'm going to put it back to the defaulted setting here of just 1 times the ATR, which basically is indicating that whatever the average true range the ATR is telling us the market can achieve, that's my goal, that's my profit target. So it's very simple. We include training as well for the sonic system. We have a daily trading room that a lot of traders join. We see the signals, we ask questions, we see what's really happening, and it's all live, which is great. So part of this video, I'm going to show you different markets. A trading system should be able to trade different markets and as well different time frames and be versatile. So this is the E-mini S&P. I know that some of you may be trading the micros, so I'm going to look at the micro. The micro is the MES. And the micro E-mini S&P, we should see very similar results because the market is very similar to the bigger E-mini, the brother, where you see that the signals are all long. So you can see here the most recent signal here on the micro was a long position, hit the target, and now it's resetting and creating a new opportunity. I also think that after, and I say this in all the videos, hundreds of videos that we have out there, try not to overtrade. We have here, as of 9:30, probably 10 signals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 signals. I don't expect everyone to take 14 trades. I think that if you have traded 5 or 6 opportunities and they were winning trades, you're up for the day, why not stop? Go enjoy the outside the rest of the day. We're here in Florida. We like the sunshine. There's no sense in being stuck here all day long looking at the chart. So you don't need a lot of these signals. We just have to be accurate. And we have to look at the rules, the risk-to-reward ratio, and all that good stuff. This is the micro E-mini S&P. Let me now look at for the, here's a signal here that just fired off, 57.2950. You heard it. There's an audible alert. I was going to switch to the MNQ, the micro Nasdaq, but this is a great opportunity live. You can see the signal appeared. The market's already going long in the favor of the trade. And once it hits that target here, that's it. The trade should be considered over. If you want to trail a stop, fantastic. So you can see 52.79 quarter, even if you got in at 52.80, this is easily a 3-point trade. A 3-point trade is $150 in a matter of less than a minute. So there's definitely opportunities. You can try to get in at a better price and all that good stuff. So I'm happy that there was a live trade here happening during this video. So this is the micro E-mini. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq as well, the MNQ. MNQ here, and give it just a second to load up the data. It's calculating. Okay, so you can see the latest trade on the Nasdaq Mini here, also successful. It doesn't surprise me. Usually the markets go up and down together when you look at the financials, which is the E-mini, the Nasdaq, the Russell, the Dow. So usually they all coincide and go up and down together. Rarely do they diverge. So this doesn't surprise me at all. If you want to look at a different market, let's say you're looking at the crude oil. I know we have some traders that are trading the crude oil. So we'll go to the MCL, the micro crude oil. Give it just a second here to upload. So this is all live, by the way. And you can see here that there are a combination of long trades and there are a combination of short trades. Again, be careful. If you start trading and you see one winner to the short side, a second winner to the short side, a third winner to the short side, a fourth winner to the short side, a fifth winner to the short side, and the sixth winner stops you out, maybe you should say, let me take a break, let me switch markets. The next trade long here was a winner. Another trade here was a winner. So you can see here that there are lots of opportunities on all markets. You don't have to trade every single signal that appears. Again, 5 to 6 trades. Stop, pause, give it a moment, call it a day, because it's very easy to make money, but it's also very easy for it to go against you. Now, for the traders, we have a lot of traders now that are trading crypto. I'm going to switch it up here. Just go to a quick Bitcoin chart, and you can see what the Sonic system can do using crypto. On the crypto markets, Bitcoin, any other cryptocurrency that you're trading. Again, it depends on the market, but in this case, it's all up long, 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 long. The most recent trade here was long. And again, if you do want to make the targets larger to make that risk to reward ratio a little bit better, I'll just change that to making the target 2 times the ATR. And you can see what it looks like. We'll have some less signals, but the signals are for much larger profit targets. If you have any questions, visit daytradetowin.com. I'm going to go back to the micro E-mini. The micro E-mini is what many of our traders are looking at to start off with, and then you can gradually move into the regular E-mini S&P or the Nasdaq. But take it slow when you start trading, and don't forget not to overtrade. Visit daytradetowin.com. We have some promotions and some specials. We have a bonus now with the Trade Scalper that you can get along with the Sonic for a limited time. So this is a great opportunity to get your hands on 2 awesome systems for the price of 1. Until next time, good trading. Want to learn more? Visit daytradetowin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Join our family of traders and let's get you set up in the next training.